What's up, everybody? I'm a new rider and I just got a 2022 Honda CBR 400R. This is the Grand Prix Red. It's fairly new, and before I actually decided to start vlogging, I rode it for a couple of days just to get kind of used to, and just kind of like, see how it feels like, and if I'm actually like, comfortable enough to take it onto the highway yet. It's pretty easy to ride, a perfect beginner bike, I would say. And it's going really well, pretty smooth so far. So I finally decided to buy like a GoPro and start kind of riding, and just hooked up onto my helmet and start kind of recording when I'm riding. So yeah, I mean, just wanted to kind of give a quick test to see how this all kind of works. And I really would like to thank quite a few people on YouTube who actually already do this, and I've learned quite a bit from them. And once I finally started to feel comfortable, I decided to start vlogging. Yeah, there it is. This is just a sample ride. I'm just going around the community to see how it all feels like, and then yeah, hope to upload more videos very soon. All right.